Heat-loving plants are the plants that will still bloom during the dog days of summer. Here are the top heat-loving plants that loves heat that you may not escape to plant in your garden. 1. Hibiscus. Hibiscus plants don't mind baking in the sun, as long as you keep them watered. 2. Bougainvillea. This plant also loves heat. Not enough sun, not enough color. 3. IXORA COCCINEA. It is a tropical plant that loves the sun. 4. Sunflower. This fast-growing annual grows easily from seed. Plant in summer for blooms well into fall, which support pollinators late into the season. 5. Marigold. Marigold is a hardly annual that blooms all the way during summer. 6. Cana lily. Cana lily have a striking dramatic foliage that can reach 6 feet tall with gorgeous different flower colors. 7. CUPHEA. It is the first plant they will visit in your garden. 8. ZINNIA. It looks good through the summer, no matter how hot it gets. 9. Golden TRYALLIS. This sun-loving plant performs best in full sun. 10. Blanket flower. Pollinators love. Blanket flowers blooms from early summer to fall for a long display time. 11. Cone flower. Available in an array colors ranging from white to hot pink. This perennials bloom from early summer to frost. Leave the seed heads intact for winter interest of the birds to enjoy. 12. Lantana. Brightly colored flowers are a pollinator's favorite. 13. Salvia. This perennials has tons of gorgeous red, blue, purple and pink flowers that attract bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds. It is also a deer-resistant. 14. Mandevilla. This tropical vine has a gorgeous pink, red or white flowers that blooms profusely all summer long. Give it a trellis to climb in super hot climates. It prefers to a bit afternoon shades. 15. Caladium. With gorgeous heart-shaped, pink and green leaves, these beautiful foliage plants offers plenty of drama and colors for shady areas. 16. DELOS PERMA COOPERI. Sometimes called ice plant, has a gorgeous flowers in saturated colors such as hot pink and coral. 17. Catmint. This perennials has a low maintenance as they come. 18. Hummingbird mint. Favorite of hummingbirds and other pollinators. 19. Jasmine. This plant's need full sun. Plants thrive with between 3 and 6 hours of sun per day, but need protection from intense midday sun. 20. Sedum. This perennials is a great addition to bed and needs almost zero care.